Team Vitality are your champions in the MWI 2025 at hindi sila natalo ng isang laro. You know what time it is, man? Hands in. Now that is just insane. Team Vitality, based on what we saw from all of the other installments that they've had with this team, are on a completely different level compared to all of the other teams na nag-compete na dito mismo sa MWI. Ito yung sinasabi ng panel kanina, game 3 pa lang na sobrang laki ng difference nung amuya nung Team Vitality na 3 taon nang magkakasama compared sa Gaming Gladiators na minsan pagdating sa clutch, 'di ba, sabihin natin na nakakabawi naman sila, pero pagdating dun sa mga make or break situation, dun mo makikita yung lapses kasi 3 linggo pa lang sila magkakasama bago yung MWI. But I have to say though, they did put up a valiant stand and kumbaga makarating lang sa finals, panalo na sila eh. It would have been better if they got it against Team Vitality who were the favorites to win this year. But that's just Team Vitality for you. Not to mention, pwede rin nating idagdag na sobrang laking bagay na kasali sila sa MDL Indonesia. Yes guys, in case you missed it, kasali ang Team Vitality sa MDL Indonesia. They're competing against MDL teams, yung mga MPL players dati na napunta sa MDL at yung mga MDL players na gustong makapunta ng MPL. So literal na pukpukan talaga yung laban doon and you can't ask for better competition. No wonder na nabatak itong mga manlalaro na ito. At kung magaling na sila dati, mas lalo pa silang gumaling ngayon.